Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing my tips on how to build your email list from scratch. So when I started off building my mailing list, I was really all over the place. I had no strategy, and to be honest, I was really frustrated because it didn't work. So what I'll be sharing today is something that definitely works. So first of all, in order for you to build your email list, you need to give something away for free in exchange for an email. So what used to happen back in the day, a lot of people used to give away like a PDF, white paper, that kind of stuff. But now I think what is more effective is to give away something which has even more value. So this could be something like maybe a workshop or even a mini course. What also works is, say you're a photographer or you're a designer, if you share your templates, that would work really well as well, because this is something that you can quickly exchange for an email. Now, when it comes to the software that you're going to need to use to capture your leads and also add them onto the database, I use a page builder called Divi. It has built-in systems that allow you to connect your opt-in form to your email subscriber software. So this is very, very powerful. In fact, I have a full tutorial where I show you how to connect this. The link to that will be somewhere here or in the video description below. Okay, I'll add to that. All right, so once you've created your page, it's going to look something like this. So this is where you want to give your title. So here I've just said, to be honest, I've been very lazy. I just said sign up below to download your free template. So this is your main page where you get people to land on the page and leave their name and email address. So the next step now is, once they've left their name and email address, you need to deliver that product that you've promised them. So I do this on a thank you page. So let's type in our email address here and see how this system works. So if I come over here and add my first name, like that. Okay, so my email address is info@funnelstoincome.com. So if I hit subscribe here, it's going to take me to my thank you page. So let's go ahead and do that. You can see now we're on the thank you page. So this is where they come over here and download that item that I promised them for free. So let's see if this download button is working. So if I click here, you can see now it has downloaded. But if you want to know how this is all set up, as I mentioned, I have a video that shows you step by step how to set it all up. Now, to complete this whole system, the name that I entered on the first page needs to be added onto the email subscriber software. And in this case, I set it up using ConvertKit, but you can use Fluent CRM. The links to all of that is in the video description below. Okay, so now let's go to ConvertKit here and see if our name has been added. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to refresh this page like that, and hopefully we should be able to see that email address. So as you can see, my email here has been added onto the system. All right, so what is important here, and please pay attention, because if you get this part wrong, it's not going to work. So first of all, you're going to need the software that enables you to build this landing page. So you can use ConvertKit's own software that allows you to build the landing page, but I prefer having this on my WordPress website. So on the WordPress website, you can use page builders. So there's Elementor, Divi, Breezy, and so on. I like using Divi. So the Divi Elementor page builder has an inbuilt email opt-in system. So this is what I use to create this landing page. Next, you're going to create a separate page, which is a thank you page. This is the page that you need to give what you've promised. So when they click download, they'll just download that product. So once you've done that, that name that was entered is now going to be entered onto the email automation system. And as I mentioned, there's quite a few of these as well. I prefer using Fluent CRM, and sometimes I use ConvertKit as well. Links to all of that will be in the video description below. So this is how you're going to successfully build your mailing list. Make sure you give something of value away, because this is what makes your email list grow really fast. And also make sure you provide a lot of traffic onto that landing page, and that is how you're going to measure your opt-in rate. So this is how you set it all up. This is what I've done. It's working really well. And I'll also be sharing my other success on things that I find out. Let me know how you are collecting your leads in the video description below. All right, guys, that's all I have for you in today's video. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.